How to find and redeem Adidas promo codes. Let's get started. If you love Adidas and want to save big on your next purchase, you are in for a treat. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to find and redeem Adidas promo codes quickly and easily. Whether you are shopping for sneakers, apparel, or accessories, these tips will help you snag the best deals. Let's jump right in and start saving. Launch your preferred browser. In the search box, type in Adidas promo code and then search for it. The fun website links will appear. Using any of these websites, you can easily get working promo code for Adidas. So open any of it. I'm gonna open this one, coupon follow, as this is the legit website. Once you're in the website, scroll down and check out the offers. 70% off, 60% off, $20 off, and many more. Head towards any of the offer you wanna grab, click on it. You're gonna get the code for it. Make sure you check the expiration date of the code whether it is valid or not. If it is valid, copy it, then click on Redeem at Adidas. You will be directed to the official website of it. Once you're in the official website of it, now you will need to go ahead and log into your account. Once logged in, head towards the items that you want to purchase. Select the items and add those items to the cart. Then proceed to checkout. While you're in the checkout page, you're going to find this section of codes. Over there, paste your code and confirm your order. With that, you're going to get the discount and the code will be redeemed. So, this way you can easily find and redeem Adidas promo codes. You can also give a try to other offers, as in this website you're gonna find tons of offers and deals for Adidas. So that's a wrap for this video. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.